Hi everybody, in this video we'll study how to use maps using a compatible Garmin device like the Fenix 6 Pro. So I'll head to run. I have a workout. I will select this workout. Now I will click on the left side button, long click, and here I can select courses. I will choose the predefined course before. By the way, if you don't know how to define a course, please check out my video about it. Here you see we have the 2 hours course. I'll do it. Now the course is being loaded. Another useful feature is the Climb Pro. If you scroll the screen after you load the map, you can see all the expected climbs. You can see that this climb is 70.25 kilometers from the location that I'm at right now, and I have an average grade of 2%. The total climb is 1.09 kilometers, and I'm going to ascend 23 meters. Another useful feature is the point of interest. You can choose around me. Let's see if we have a gas station nearby. You can see it already found some. Another thing is, whenever you load the course, you can also choose to see the Pace Pro. Now you can create a new Pace Pro plan directly from your watch. And let's say that I have a time pace. I want to finish it in, let's say, 1 hour and 43 minutes. In order to achieve that, my watch will calculate it. You can see that I need to run in 5 minutes and 42 seconds per kilometer in order to achieve it in this one, and I have all the splits. Let's check out how it looks when I run the course. We're approaching a turn. I have 50 meters left. Now there is a rotating and beeping sound, and I'm turning. In case you are in a different screen, the map will notify you. In case you go off course, you can try and look at the navigation, and whenever you'll get back to course, you'll be notified. As you can see here, I got back to the course and I got this message. So don't worry if you get off course. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure that you check out my other tutorials of how-tos and everything. I will link everything in the description down below. Thanks again and have a great day.